Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and today we're going to be unboxing the HP Omen 15 gaming laptop. Let's see what configuration HP has sent us. So okay, here's what it has within the laptop. It's got an i7-10750H processor, a 1TB solid state drive, 16 gigs of DDR4 memory, and an Nvidia Geforce Gtx 1650 Ti. Interesting choice of components. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it is that you get inside the box besides the laptop itself. On the inside, when you open the box, you see this nice red little, actually this is a shock absorbing cardboard, so that while your laptop is in transit, it doesn't take any hits or bumps. Then you have the laptop itself. Now this is the Omen 15. There's actually quite a lot to talk about this laptop in general and in specific as well. First and foremost being this major redesign in branding. Typically, if you've seen the older Omen series of desktops, laptops, you would have noticed that they had a very tribal red and black logo. That has now been replaced by this blue, greenish, purplish diamond of sorts, and all it says is Omen. There's no HP branding on the lid. The laptop itself has also been redesigned quite a bit. So this is actually very different in comparison to the previous year's Omen laptops. Additionally, just right off the bat, there's massive openings at the bottom to, I'm assuming, help the fans pull in more air. And a closer look also reveals that there is a fin stack going all the way from this side to the right. So there's a fin stack across the entire back, which means more fins always means more surface area for cooling. So how it actually does thermally is something we're going to have to find out in our review process. Then you also get a user manual of sorts. This is just like a starter guide, nothing too major. And you have the power cord. And that's pretty much it. That's all there is inside the HP Omen 15. And what's really interesting is that this laptop is actually completely kitted out in terms of its specs. You know, you've got an i7, you've got the Core i7 processor, you've got 16 gigs of DDR4 memory, you've got a whole terabyte of hard drive storage, and then the GPU is a 1650 Ti. Now, the 1650 Ti is actually still a pretty amazing graphics card. Like, it can run every game that you might want to play on it, but I would have assumed that with a configuration like this one, with the, you know, a i7 with 16 gigs, etc., etc., a 1660 Ti perhaps at a minimum would have been nicer, maybe a 2060 even. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.